This Diwali, let's make a special snack that everyone will love. Kala Chana Tikki Chaat. It's crispy, tangy and super tasty. Let's get started. First we need to boil the soaked Kala Chana or black chickpeas. Add them to a pressure cooker along with some salt and water. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles or until they are soft but not too mushy. Once done, let the pressure release and drain the chickpeas. Save some for later as a topping. Next, in a bowl, add boiled Kala Chana. Now let's add all the spices. Red chili powder, black pepper powder, regular salt, mint powder, roasted cumin powder, garam masala powder, amchur powder and grated ginger. Chopped onions, green chili, cilantro, and 3 tablespoons of rice flour to hold everything together. Also, add 1 tablespoon of mint and cilantro chutney for extra flavor. Boil potatoes, mash it all up, but make sure that you leave some chunks of Kala Chana for a nice texture when you bite into it. You can also use the potato masher for mashing mixture. Now grease your hands. Shape the mixture into small patties or tikkis. It's not only delicious but also healthy, so it's perfect for the festive season. Heat some oil in a non-stick pan. Cook the tikkis on medium heat until both sides are golden and crispy. Paired with tangy yogurt, sweet and sour chutneys, crunchy toppings, make this chaat a mouth-watering treat. Once the tikkis are done, set them aside. Now let's prepare the yogurt. In a small bowl, add the chilled yogurt, sugar, black salt and cumin powder and mix until smooth and creamy. Keep it aside. To assemble the chaat, spread the chaat dahi on a serving plate. Add the toppings like chopped onions, tomatoes, boiled chickpeas and pomegranate arils. Also add nylon save, drizzle with mint and cilantro chutney, tamarind and date chutney for sweet and tangy punch, spices like red chili powder, cumin powder and chaat masala. Now place the crispy tikkis on top, repeat the same toppings and that's it. Your Kala Chana Tikki Chaat is ready. It's crispy, tangy, sweet, spicy, the perfect Diwali snack. Each bite is full of flavors and textures, making it a hit with everyone. Whether you're hosting a Diwali party or just craving something special, this recipe will light up your Diwali spread with its vibrant colors, bold spices and irresistible textures. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more festive treats. Happy cooking! See you next time!